In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Facebook cover photo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to change that big image at the top of your profile and make it look more personal, professional, or just more you. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main Facebook page, go to your profile. You can usually do this by clicking on your name or your profile picture, which is often found at the top of the page or in the side menu. Once you're on your profile, you'll see your current cover photo at the top, or a blank space if you've never added one before. Next, move your mouse over the cover photo area. You should see a highlight or an option appear on or near the cover image. Click on that highlighted area. This is Facebook's way of letting you know that this section is editable. After clicking on the highlight, look for the option that says Add Cover Photo. If you already have a cover photo, this might appear as Edit Cover Photo, but it will lead you to the same place. Go ahead and click on Add Cover Photo. A small menu will pop up with several choices. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on adding a new image from your device, so click on Upload Photo. This tells Facebook that you want to choose a picture stored on your computer or phone, rather than using an existing image from your albums or a suggested background. When you click Upload Photo, a file window will open. Navigate to the folder where your desired photo is saved. Take a moment to pick an image that looks good in a wide horizontal format, since cover photos are quite wide and can crop tall images. Once you've chosen your image, click to select it, then confirm by clicking Open or the equivalent button on your device. Facebook will now upload the photo and show you a preview at the top of your profile. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll usually be able to drag the image up or down to adjust which part is visible, and you might see a Save Changes or Apply button. Make any adjustments you need, then confirm to save. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Facebook cover